Once it becomes red, I'm gonna do an intro. Hey
Okay.
everyone, welcome back to the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we're going to review our lessons to get you ready for the midterm test. Okay?
Oh, mention it.
Now, before we begin, let's say basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, I want you all to mute yourself. Okay? One, two, three. Hup.
Okay.
No rubber chicken.
No rubber chicken. All right. What units are tested, guys? The first one
One, two,
is
three.
Unit 1. No, not only 3. I am special. Unit 2, short stories. Unit 3, a healthy diet. Unit 4, a healthy life. What is Unit 1 about? Unit 1 is about past tenses review. There are 3, right? Past simple, past continuous, and present perfect. And Unit 2 is about first conditionals. Yes. If I stay up here, I will be safe. Unit 3 is about one wants other others. And wait, each other, one another. And Unit 4 is about both and as well as besides. And the last one is so that, in order to, and so as to. Okay, guys? Now, let's go to the units one by one. First, Unit 1. I am special. Okay, here you are faced with past tenses. There are 3: past simple, past continuous, and present perfect. Okay, so when you are doing these problems, you have to find the clues. Okay, look for the clues. Okay, for past simple, the clues are yesterday, last week, last month, last year, last Saturday, okay? Or 3 days ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 years ago, 1 century ago, okay? Something with yesterday, uh, last something, and something with ago. Okay, 6E. Those are the clues for uh, past simple. And past continuous. Past continuous is used when there are two actions and the first act and then there is one action that is longer than the second action. The longer action uses the past continuous. For example, I was painting a picture when the phone rang. I was painting, and then suddenly the phone rang. Right? I was painting a picture when the telephone rang. The longer action was painting the picture, and the shorter action was the telephone rang. Had you finished painting when the telephone rang? Not yet. You were still in the middle of painting the picture. All right. What are the clues for past continuous? First, you can see when in the sentence. Two, you can see while in the sentence. Three, you can see as in the sentence. Okay, this is grade 5 lesson. While, when, as. When, while, as. Do you still remember that? Yes. Okay. Now, the present perfect. Present perfect is to express things that you are trying to show. I mean, to talk about something that the result still can be seen right now. For example, look here, look, I have a picture. I have painted a picture. This is my picture. You can see it right now. Okay. Yeah, I have painted a picture. This is the result. You can see the result. I have just washed my hair. What's the result? My hair is wet. I have just eaten lunch. What's the result? I am very full now. Okay, so when you uh, when the result can be seen right now, the result can be felt right now, you use the present perfect. All right. And the present perfect is also for talking about uh, what is it? Duration and origin. Since and for. So if you see since or for in the sentence, yeah, the answer is most likely in the present perfect. I have studied here since 2013. Are you still studying here? Yes, you are still studying here. Starting from 2013 until now. It hasn't stopped. Okay? And also for, it means if it started in 2013, it means that it has been like 7 years, right? So I have studied here for 7 years. Okay, that's for and since. Duration and origin. Right? Now, the third clue for present perfect is never or ever. Yeah? If you see never or ever in the sentence, the answer is most likely in the present perfect. I have never been to Japan. I have I have never eaten sushi before. Okay, have you ever climbed the Mount Everest? Like that. Okay, now let's go to the exercise. They blah blah blah. Oh, this is still about the first unit. Yeah. Okay, let's go to who is the first one? Areta. Areta, can you please do number one?
Um, Besides visiting Lawangsewu, he also bought some Semarang's most
Wait,
famous cherry plantation.
Areta, which one do you have?
C.
Number one, dear.
Yeah, number one. Oh, yeah, number They were playing in the park when they saw me.
Excellent, Areta. Yes, what is the clue, guys? The clue is, let's underline the clue together. The clue is
Uh,
what? This is wrong. The clue is, what is it, guys? So you know the answer is we're playing and saw. The clue is when.
when.
Okay, yes. So it's easier when you see double blank like this. Most likely the answer is in past continuous and past simple. Past continuous followed by past simple. Okay? They were playing is the past continuous and they saw me is the past simple. Okay, Sixi? Thank you, Areta. Now let's go to Atala Rehan.
C, miss.
Atala Rehan, are you there? Yes.
What what time did you go to sleep last night?
What time did you go to sleep last night? What is it? Past simple. What is the clue? Atala Rehan. Let's underline it together. Last night. Yes, the clue is last night. So the answer must be in past simple. Okay? 6E. Okay. Now, number 3. Thank you, Atala Ben Omar. Wait. Haura. Haura, you there? Anita Haura. Oh, she's not responding. Ben Omar. Ben Omar Ayman. Are you there? Yes. Number 3. Okay, I don't think Ben Omar
Can
is.
I? Yes, can I?
Wait, let Ben Omar answer in chat. Ben, type the answer in chat, just the letter. Ben Omar. Okay, have just washed. My hair is wet. I have just washed it. Is that right, 6E? Yes, that's right. How do you know that? You can see the result. My hair is wet. It means that I have just washed it. Good. Thank you, Ben Omar. Next, number 4. Kalia Elora. Chalia Elora. Elora. She was playing tennis yesterday afternoon. All right. How long is afternoon? Afternoon is from noon until 6 p.m., right? She cannot be playing tennis that long, right? So it must be in between. So the answer is played. That's right. She played tennis yesterday afternoon. Very good. Thank you, Elora. It's okay. You can just what is it? Erase your wrong answers and correct the copy the correct answer. Okay, thank you, Carissa Quinza.
Okay.
Number 5.
He was walking to school when the rain started.
Yes, he was walking to school when the rain started. There are two blanks in the question, so the answer is most likely in past continuous and past simple. That's right. And oh yeah, I forgot to what is it? Underline the clues. Number 3, the clue is my hair is wet, and number 4, the clue is yesterday afternoon, and number 5, the clue is when. Okay, 6E. Let's go to the next slide. Number 6. Thank you, Quinza. Kayla Sabina, number 6. Nana? Nana?
A. Did did you ever visited the Louvre in
Louvre.
Paris?
All right. Mm, as you can see, there is the word ever in the question. So the answer is most likely in present perfect. Yeah, there is ever in the sentence. I cannot underline it. Maybe I can, but I'm not sure. Oh, that's wrong. Okay, the clue is ever. So the answer must be have you visited. Okay, thank you, Nana. Number 7, let's go to Kenzie. Kenzie? Kenzie?
They they had a cat since it was born.
All right, is the cat still with them?
Yeah.
Yes, it means that it's not in the past, right? If the cat is still with them.
Oh, that
If
means
you say,
they have they have they have a cat since it was born.
we're talking about origin here.
Mm,
The starting
oh,
time is when the cat was born until now.
oh,
Yes. So the answer is have had. Yes, the present
have
perfect.
had. Oh,
Uh-uh. They
I
have
made a mistake on
plus
understanding
a
that.
verb 3. The had is
Oh,
the verb 3. The had is the action, yeah, in the sentence.
okay.
Okay, thank you, Kenzie. Since it
Welcome.
was born, let's underline the clue. The clue is since. Okay, thank you. And next is Maulana. Baim. Number 8, Baim. Baim.
While we were waiting, we heard a strange noise.
Yes, while we were waiting, we heard a strange noise. Past continuous and past simple. How do you know? Let's underline the clue together. The clue is while. Okay, 6E. Thank you, Baim. Now let's go to Firman. You there, Firman?
What, miss?
Number 9, please, Firman.
Miss, I have a question, miss. What is number 8 again? You haven't.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for reminding, Rasha. Firman?
Isn't.
Okay, it was last week, right?
Yes.
Last week. So what is the past of isn't?
Honor. Has been.
Wait, is it still bad? Is it still not very good until now? No, right? It was last week. So the answer is wasn't. Okay. Now, today, the weather is good. It was only last week. Okay, Firman? Thank you, Firman. Now let's go to Rasha, Naufal, Alfaro.
Look, someone broke the window.
Look, look. What is it? Look, look, look.
I said, look. No, look, look, look. I answered this. Look, someone broke the window.
Look, look. When you can see the result right now and you're surprised by it, you say, "Look, someone has broken the window."
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Yes, the clue is this. Look, look, look. It means that you can see the result right now. It's connected to the present. It was done in the past, but it's connected to to the present. Okay? Thank you, Rasha. Now let's go to Nata is here. Nata, Unit 2 is about the first conditionals, yeah? There is a condition clause and there is a result clause in the sentence, okay? But if you use unless, the condition and the result do not go along, okay? The result is not uh, the result in the result clause is not the result of the condition if you use unless. Confusing, yeah? So to make it short, the condition does not support the result if you use unless. Okay? And until is to say when an action stops or stopped, especially when it was in the past. Okay? Next, Nata, number 11, please.
They
If they,
they
oh,
don't play. Uh,
yes, if they don't
if they
play,
play today, they will get.
yes, that's right, Nata. If they don't play any video games today, they will get a reward from their parents. Okay? So the if clause uses the present simple. The result clause uses the will future. It's always like that. Present simple, if present simple, followed by will future. Okay, 6E. Now, let's go to Rafabian. Thank you, Nata.
Yes, miss.
Yes, number 12, please.
Okay. If you follow over, if, if you follow the rules, you won't get any consequences.
Yes, that's right, Rafabian. If you follow all the rules, you won't get any consequences. If present simple followed by will future. Thank you, Rafa. Now let's go to Ratu Amabel.
Mhm.
If he doesn't take his umbrella with him, he will get wet.
That's right. If he doesn't take his umbrella with him, he will get wet. Why doesn't, not don't? Because the subject is a he. Okay, remember that. Thank you, Amabel. Now let's go to Charlize. Charlize Alma, number 13.
If
And number 14, yeah.
if I don't leave now, I will be late for school.
That's right. If I don't leave now, I will be late for school. Okay? So the condition supports the result. It must be don't leave, not leave, yeah? Okay, very good, Charlize. Next, let's go to Violetta.
Unless she doesn't send me a letter, I won't ever write back.
Oh yeah,
Mm.
this one I made a mistake with this one with in quizzes, yeah. The answer is not doesn't send, but because we use unless here, the answer is sends, right? Because here the condition must the cannot support the result. So you have to find the answer that makes the condition does not support the result because you use unless. Which one is it? The answer is sends. Okay? Unless she sends me a letter, I won't ever write back to her. It's the same with if she doesn't send me a letter, I won't ever write back to her. That's the same. Okay? 6E? Got that? Okay. Thank you, Violetta. Now let's go back
Uh,
to. Yes?
uh,
Who is saying
I'm so
something?
lagging. I'm lagging.
Kenzie. Okay. Okay, Haura. Next. Haura. Anindita Haura. Okay, she's not responding. Let's go to Areta then. Areta. Aretha. Yes. Number
Number
16.
Unless the weather is nice tomorrow, we won't have a picnic.
That's right. Unless the weather is nice tomorrow, we won't have a picnic. Very good. You have to find the answers that makes the condition does not support the result. Okay? If you see unless. That's the key, 6E. Thank you, Areta. Now let's go to Atala, Raihan. Raihan.
If my boss fires me, I will have to find a new job.
That's right. If my boss fires me, I will have to find a new job because my boss is the same as he or she. That's why you need to use an
Okay,
S after the word fire,
disconnected
after the
actually.
verb. Okay? Welcome back, Kenzie. Now, Ben Omar.
If I have to listen to more of that loud music, I will have a headache.
That's good.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, Atala and Ben Omar. If I have to listen to more of that loud music, I will have a headache. The condition supports the result. Okay, thank you. Now let's go to Talia Elora. Elora,
As
number 19.
unless she arrives on time, the teacher will be angry.
Yes, unless she arrives on time, the teacher will be angry. Very good. The condition does not support the result. That's why you need to use unless. Thank you, Elora. Now let's go to Quinza. Ooh. Quinza, say the sentence, please.
Okay. Unless she finally apologized, her brother didn't want to talk to her.
Okay. Has I mean, has she apologized yet?
No. Yes.
Yes. So the answer is
Yes.
until.
Okay.
Yes. Until. Okay. Because the action stopped, her brother started talking to him. Her brother stopped not talking to her, when she finally apologized. So the answer is until. Okay, thank you, Quinza. Let's go to Chesta. For Unit 3, a healthy diet. One wants other others. This is still fresh in your memory, right? Because it was in your daily test. Okay, Chesta, number 21.
It's his best book. Thought he wrote many others.
Yes, many others. Not only one, but a lot. Okay. Boys and girls, please stop chatting. Okay. Thank you, Chesta. Others, more than one. Next, let's go to Nana. Nana,
Are there are there others are there other trains coming soon?
yes, that's right. Are there other trains coming soon? Yes, you cannot use others because there is trains. It will be weird if you say, are there others trains coming soon, right? 6E. Stop chatting now. One, two, three. Stop. Okay. Now focus. Nata. Can you stop, please, Nata? Okay. Thank you. Let's go to after Nana is Kenzie. Baim. Kenzie.
Yeah,
Number 23.
I'm kind of lagging. Wait. I see those boys fight is
It's Fatih.
um oh Mati is the tall one and Faha is the short one.
Yes. Both of them use one.
One. So
Okay.
they're only one object.
There's only one Fatih and there's only one Farhan, right?
Maybe it's actually a copycat. Evil copycat.
All right. Thank you, Kenzie. Now number 24. Firman.
Nana.
Firman. Oh, Zuni first. Baim first. Baim.
Hello. Some holidays are cheap, others are expensive.
Others are expensive. Others mean other holidays, right? Okay, thank you, Baim. Let's go to Firman.
New Year's.
With
Firman, my glasses.
my glasses are broken. I need some new
Or
ones.
once,
Once.
yes. My glasses are broken. I need some new ones. Why ones? Because glasses always come in
One.
pairs. Pairs, 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 pairs. Pairs, pairs, pairs. Okay?
You really like pears.
All right. Okay. Let's move on to number 26. Thank you, Firman. Rasha.
Number
Yes.
26, right, miss? Neighbors should learn to help each
How
other.
many neighbors are there? Are you
Two?
sure there are two?
One
Oh, I
another.
mean one another. I mean one another.
The neighbors next door. The neighbors next door. No neighbors in front of you.
One
The
another.
neighbors there. The neighbors there. The neighbors everywhere.
Miss, I said one another, not each other.
Okay, one another. That's right. You have a lot of neighbors, right? Thank you,
I do.
Rasha. Okay, let's go to Nabil. Nabil? Nabil Faris, yes. Number 27.
Each other.
Each other. Yes, that's right. My brother and I help each other in our homework. There are two people, my brother and I. Thank you, Nabil. Next, number 27, 28. Nata. 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 Yes.
Okay. Jihan has a sister who lives in Bandung. They
Wait, number
visit
28, dear.
the triplets always understand one another.
Why? How many people are there in triplets? There are three. Nata, can you stop banging?
What's that noise?
Three, yeah? Three plus three. Twins, two. Quadruplets, four. Twins, two. Triplets,
Quadruplets?
quadruplets, four. Twins, two. Triplets, three. Quadruplets, four. Quintuplets, five. Okay. Next. Thank you, Nata. Let's go to Rafabian.
Yes, yes.
Number 29.
Jihan, Jihan has a sister who lives in Bandung. They visit each other twice a month.
Yes, each other. There are two people, Jihan and her sister. Two people. Okay, thank you, Rafabian. Let's go to Ratu Amabel.
The books are placed neatly on top of one another.
One another. Yes, there are many books. One another. On top of one another. Okay. Next, this is the last unit. Unit 4. A healthy life. Unit 4 is all about joining sentences together using those conjunctions. All right, let's go to Charlize. Can you do number 31, Charlize?
Besides visiting Lawang Sewu, he also bought some Semarang's most famous fried dumplings.
Yes, that's right. Besides visiting, when you see a verb ing after the blank, the answer must be besides. And besides is always at the beginning of the sentence. That's right. Thank you, Charlize. Besides visiting Lawang Sewu, he also bought some Semarang's most famous fried dumplings. Ooh, it makes me hungry. All right, next, let's go to Violetta. Ekasi,
The
number
man
30.
made both the rabbit disappear and a tiger appear at the same time.
Wait, what's the second blank is for? What?
And
And yes, that's right. The magician made both the rabbit disappear and a tiger appear at the same time. That's right. Both and. Very good, Violetta. Thank you. Now let's go to number 33 with Haura. Haura. Haura, are you here yet? Oh, Haura is typing ya. Just type the letter. Haura. A, B, C, or D? Oh, the answer is B. Do you all agree with Haura? Yes, I do agree with Haura. How? Why? How come? Wait, let's find the differences. The differences are a fever and a headache. So, what do you put after beside? You put after beside is the a fever. Besides a fever, Ulfa also had a headache last night. Okay, good. Thank you, Haura. Next, let's go to Areta.
says, Putra can both sing and play the piano beautifully.
Putra can both.
Sing and play the piano
Yes,
beautifully.
that's right. The answer is, why is it not working? Oh, ah, Putra can. Oh no, yeah. Putra can paint. Putra can both paint and play the piano beautifully. Why? Because the differences are paint and play the piano. So you put paint after both and between paint and play the piano. Good job, Areta. Thank you. Next, let's go to Atala Rehan for number 35.
The repair took a lot of time. The repair took a lot of money. The repair took a lot of time as well as money.
Yes, that's right. It's C. Let's find the differences. The differences are a lot of time and a lot of. Wait, my mistake. Uh, why isn't it working? Okay, fine. Okay, the differences are time and money. So you put as well as between time and money. Okay, 6E, that's easy, right? Okay, now let's move on to so as to, so that, in order to. Okay, thank you, Atala. Benoman, please do number 36.
Uh, I'm trying to drink 8 glasses of water a day in in order to improve my digestion.
Yes, that's right. In order to improve my digestions. Why? In order to? Because what comes after the blank is a verb one. What you can see after the blank is a verb one. So the answer must be in order to or so as to. Because there is no so as to, the answer must be in order to. Good job, Ben Omar. Let's go to Talia, Elora. Elora,
Uh, he bought a bicycle so that he can go to work by bike.
the answer is so that. That's right. So that he can go to work by bike. How do you know the answer is so that? Because after the blank, you can see he, a subject, right? you can see a subject followed by a full sentence. So the answer must be so that. It cannot be in order to. It cannot be so as to. Okay, 6E. Now, thank you, Elora. Let's go to Quinza for 38.
Okay. He stopped taking the elevator so as to get some exercise by going up the stairs.
So as to get. Yes, that's right. That's the answer, Quinza. Why is A wrong? A is
Because there
wrong.
he can get.
A is wrong because after so as to, you have to go straight to the verb one. So for A, you have to cross out the he can, right? For B, why is B wrong? Same with A. If you use in order to, you have to go straight to the verb one. So you have to cross out the he can. Why is D wrong? D is wrong because after so that, you have to say the full sentence of the second sentence. So you have to start with so that he can get some exercise like that. Okay, 6E. Now let's go to Chesta. Thank you, Quinza.
She has to go on a diet in order to she can fit in her wedding dress.
All right. In order to she can fit in her wedding dress is too long. Why? Because in order to, after in order to is a verb one.
Can.
No, a verb one. You have to skip can too.
Oh,
Okay. So the
okay.
answer is so that
Oh,
she
so that
can fit.
can fit.
Why is A wrong? A is wrong because you have to skip she can, right? C is wrong because you have to skip can. D is wrong because you have to skip can. Okay? So the best answer is so that she can fit. After so that, you have to write the full sentence of the second sentence starts from the subject. Okay, thank you, Chesta. Now let's go to Nana, number 40, the last number.
Sarah stopped consuming soda in order to be healthier.
In order to be healthier. Yes, that's the answer. Why is A wrong? A is wrong because you have to say the whole sentence of the second sentence when you use so that. And B is wrong because you have to skip she can, right? And D is wrong because you have to skip she can when you use in order to. Okay, so that's about it, 6E. Have you copied everything?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much for participating, yeah, 6E. Now, do you have any questions?
No. No.
No?
Nope.
You don't have any questions? You sure?
Nope. Yes. Yes.
If you have questions, you can contact me, yeah, at my number in WhatsApp. Okay? And what else? There are 35 numbers, all multi-choice problems. Yeah? And I have to remind you again, do not underestimate multiple choice problems, yeah, because once you're wrong in that number, you don't get any scores for that number. Okay? Okay, 6E. And you can study from this review or you can study from all the materials that I have posted in classwork from unit 1 until unit 4. You can rewatch all the videos too that I have posted. Okay? 6E. Your time for doing the test is 1 hour. So it's a plenty of time. Yeah? Do not rush yourself. If you have questions, just ask during the test. If you have questions, just ask me at my WhatsApp. Okay? 6E,
Miss,
got that?
I have a question.
Yes, Kenzie.
I'm not.
Eh,
I'm not
was
Kenzie.
Rasya? Yes, Rasya.
Can I go to the toilet?
Okay,
Yeah.
that's not a relevant question. All right. So, do you have questions, 6E? You sure? Yes, you can contact me anytime, yeah, 6E. Okay. Good luck on your test. There is still 5 minutes. You can
Miss,
have break.
can I contact you in the middle of the night?
I will answer in the morning. Okay, Kenzie.
No, no, you have to answer at night because I will never sleep. Yeah, for real. I don't sleep at night. I
It's
just,
not healthy, Kenzie, especially
I know,
when you're
but
still growing up.
I don't do it oftenly though. But sometimes if I just cannot sleep, I'll just give up and not sleep anyway.
You can
I just do that when it's like almost the morning. When it's almost morning.
try doing some boring stuff before you go to sleep.
Yeah, I often do that. Someone makes me unable to sleep.
Okay, maybe you should tell your parents about it. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, 6E, if you don't have any questions, you can have a break before you go to the next lesson. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for participating. Let's say hamdalah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil
Alhamdulillah.
Alamin.
Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You're welcome, 6E. Bye bye. Good
Thank you,
luck on your
Miss.
test.
wabarakatuh.
Dah.
Bye.
Wow.